Know that piece of road around people. Morning in the morning here, people. The man's Godzilla place, yeah. Good food, everything, right here, so Godzilla place. Big up yourself, Godzilla. Mad people to the world. Yeah, man, come check him, you know. Can get a nice lunch or breakfast. Anything here, so Godzilla place. Big up yourself. See it? So you know that piece of road I done. Now real life. Morning, you know, again, you know, to the world. So that piece of road, you know, come out, yeah, so, see? Down there, so now, Allen Avenue, see? Let's sure taxi them park up here, so. All right, taxi them. And up the side, you know, up Summerstone. When I go up Summerstone, the Sawdust liquor store, there's the Sawdust himself, there too. Summerstone up there for Seventh-day Adventist Church, right there, so. But watch out now, people. Traffic too high, so we have to go up Bonnyview Hill here. Yeah, up Bonnyview this, here. Up Bonnyview this, you hear that? Mad. And I hear so, man, them a work on a piece of place here. And tear down that piece of place. Up Bonnyview this. Pineapple TV. Yeah, this. Yeah, man, I hear so we live in the 80s, you hear that? Check that out. Bonnyview Hill, we are go. We are head towards Portland Road, you hear that? Bonnyview to the world. Maddy? A veteran TV in the early morning, you hear that? Pineapple TV, yeah, so. See, we are there in the 80s. Yeah, so we live. I have a Pineapple TV barn. In the 80s, I so we live. Me and Claudette Stone, aka Star Girl, on Instagram and YouTube, you know. Pineapple TV, we are this right in the 80s. I also we used to live in the 80s. I have a Pineapple TV barn, people. Yeah. In real life. Tika, you remember the mango tree? Yo, daddy. Enough mango eat here. So I have a Pineapple TV barn. In the 80s we live here, so. It's the last year I know. In the 80s we live here, so I have a Pineapple TV barn. Right now, Pear Cold Pimple, daddy. Right, a little spot here. Claudette shop did them. I make a little shop right here, so. Other place here. In the 80s. #1 shop. And I also we live in the 80s, that place here. Pineapple yard here. Yes, a Pineapple TV barn. Little shop did there, so. I did it again. You hear that? Yes, so me and your mother live. Me and Claudette Stone live. Right now, me a ball because I don't feel good. This bring back a lot of memory. Yeah, man. I'm head for Portland Road, you know. In a real life. You see that? Art man, see a yard there, you know. Artists and Chester and them man there. Soon a yard there. See all one son, your original bridging here. Big up yourself, Jason.
Every time.
Every time, yeah? Up Bonnyview we are head for set speed. You hear that? Yeah, man. Pineapple TV here, you know. Now the 80s I also will live. Veteran TV to the world. I it, man. Yeah. Whole out of Prospect and Folly there. Ramtula. Whole 100. So we are head up the hill here. You hear that? Bonnyview Hill we are head up. But we not go up at the hotel, you know. We are head for Portland Road. It's a little bypass road this. Seeing? Yeah, man, when the town get too busy, we just drive pan the road there and cut the traffic. Yeah, man. Bonnyview, you know? Hill. You climb the hill. Yeah, man, check that view here, people, to the world. Port Antonio, Portland. One of the best places on earth, daddy. Check your levels. Yeah, we are going to Portland Road, see? We now go up Bonnyview. Portland Road to the world. Yeah, man, when the town gets busy, it's a little bypass it to cut out the traffic. Bonnyview up there, so we now touch the side there. Portland Road to the world. Yeah. And just before we touch the road, I want to view that little piece here. Yeah, man, up on the hill here. Yeah. Portland Road side, right? For you know, Portland Road, a piece of road that carry back. Right, Baptist. Right out of Baptist. Jamaica, Port Antonio, Portland to the world. See, we hospital there. So they don't know exactly where they don't. Yeah, so the whole of downtown and how lovely and whole place, daddy. Veteran TV, so on Bamboo Coffee, Bonebrook, whole place, free school, everywhere, daddy. Veteran TV to the world. Maddie, look at this nurse coming from work. You see these people? They are working class. Big up all nurse and doctor and all police officer.
Every time.
Every time. And that's your pet nurse?
Yes, I got him just a while ago.
So did you name him as yet?
Not yet.
Is he a him or a her?
Her.
It's a her,
Yeah.
so you don't name her as yet?
No.
Okay, but you're alright though, nurse.
Yeah, man,
and what's
I'm
your
good.
name, nurse?
Charlton.
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 Okay, from Port Antonio.
Port
And this is
Antonio,
Veteran TV passing through just in time to catch you.
Okay.
Have a long life, okay?
Yes, thank
you have
you.
anything to tell the others, a nurse family, like, you know?
Just keep strong, holding faith. You know,
Yeah.
we are in COVID time.
Right.
But, you know, we just have to keep safe and do our work
Exactly.
diligently as we are supposed to do.
And keep your mask on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Mask and hand washing and everything.
Thank you very much. And good morning, puppy. Hi there. Hi there, puppy.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you very much, nurse. Okay?
Yeah, man.
That's one of the nurse out of Port Antonio Hospital. And there's the hospital over there as well, you know. Veteran TV. Portland Road where I come down. You hear that? Eh? Mad. Yeah, man. Portland Road to the world. You hear that? Eh? In real life, you know. Portland Road this year to the world. Yeah, man. Portland Road, man. See all frigid place, yeah, man. Yeah. Original. And you know Portland Road, that road there drop you out right pan West Baptist. Yeah. See all the pigeons them a fly there. Real life, man. Natural liberty. Veteran TV coming through Portland Road. It's a shortcut, bypass the town. When the town get busy with traffic, would I take that road there and bypass the town to the whole of the town there. In a real life. Portland Road. The hospital there and the road that drop you out right. West Baptist. Yeah, man. So when the traffic then get busy, yeah, man, they would have come through here. So you know, you see them cut out the town, you know. Cut out the town, man. You mean? I know upon them hill I have the most beautifulest lady. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine.
Wow,
And
you-
you sleep on Veteran TV?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh,
You're looking
yeah.
at Veteran TV right
Oh,
here.
nice.
Yeah,
so
man.
where do I find it?
You have to like type, go YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook.
Okay.
One name, 3 social media. Just type CHINNAMAN, one word. And then space VETERAN, Chinnaman Veteran. That's my
Okay.
address. And what's your name?
Patricia.
Patricia, you're looking lovely. Though. So
Thank you.
what are you about with all these eggs, Patricia? As someone take you eat?
You know-
Wow,
you know
I'm
that-
so nice
you know
meeting
that
this
sell
nice
them, I
lady.
sell them?
Oh, yeah, okay. Are you hustling? Wow, that's Patricia. Wow, she's looking so fine. Wow, Patricia.
Thank you.
Okay, then my lady, see you later. She's so happy.
Oh, God, you know.
Oh, God, man. Yeah, man, so the road here, lead you out here. Watch your road,
Portland
Patricia.
Road.
That, yeah, Portland Road to the world. Yeah, man, I eat Patricia. A little more, yeah?
Yeah, man, yeah.
All right, and up there, so now I'll carry you to the hospital. Yeah, man, and we're coming from Portland Road. See there? To the world. Veteran TV. Look and you will see. To the world. So like and share and subscribe. You hear that? Big up yourself, Jamaican Pineapple TV. Melissa, Diamond, Elvis, up.